This is Windows 10 and here's the following situation. Let's say you turned off your computer using the sleep mode, and after a while the computer wakes up for a few moments and then it's entering into hibernate mode. Okay, so let's see how to stop that one. So right click on the start button and click on run and type in this control from control panel and press OK. Okay, now come here to hardware and sound, come to power options, and whichever is checked here, customize that one with this change plan settings, change advanced power settings, and on this window come here to sleep, open sleep, and sleep after is set to 60 minutes. Let's say that's fine, but besides that we have another one. We have hibernate, and that is set to 60 minutes. So first it sleeps, then it wakes up and enters into hibernate mode. So in this case set it to 0, click outside somewhere there. Now it's set to never, and that's it. Close it with OK, and your PC should automatically enter into standby mode, but not wake up and enter into hibernate mode also. Okay, so the computer is set up to sleep after a minute and then to hibernate after 2 minutes. That's the first part. The keyboard and the mouse was not touched. Now it's in sleep mode. You can know it's in sleep mode because the power LED is flashing. Then the monitor turns off. Now it's on. Hard drive LED is blinking. Now it enters in standby. The phone is no longer charged. Power was interrupted.